Extractors should get in on any lab-based seminar like this one because it's so much easier to learn when you're getting hands-on face time with equipment that's running material and you're producing the product in front of you. It's something that you're not going to get on an expo. One of the things that makes the Controlled Crash Course seminar a little bit different is that we're focusing on crystallization as a process. And so while we do a lot of work in the booth in crystallizing, rinsing, and recrystallizing products, we also have a centrifuge on site so we can separate using other heavier hydrocarbons like pentane, so we can separate things like rosin. So you can explore all of the different ways that you can maximize THCA production.